Ever felt lost in the world of trading? Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the elusive trading edge, a vital key to consistent profits. Imagine for a moment the world of trading. Some traders seem to effortlessly ride the market waves, while others are left behind. What is it that separates them? What is their secret weapon? Is it a burning desire to discover your unique advantage? Picture the exhilaration of informed decisions and consistent profits. How would that success feel to you? The secret lies in understanding the edge. An edge in trading refers to your unique advantage, a strategy, market, or asset class that sets you apart from the crowd. It's the key to consistent profits, so how does one find their edge? It starts with a deep understanding of your strengths and weaknesses. Evaluate your trading style, your risk tolerance, and the time horizon you're comfortable with. Next, focus on one or two markets that you're familiar with. This deep understanding will give you a unique advantage. Now, it's time to develop a trading strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. And once you've crafted that strategy, it's crucial to backtest it. Backtesting helps identify the strengths and weaknesses of your strategy. And remember, discipline is vital. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive trades. But the journey doesn't end here. There are numerous ways to find your edge. You can read books and articles to learn new strategies, attend seminars and webinars to gain insights from experienced traders, join trading communities to share experiences and learn from others. Experiment with different strategies and explore various markets that align with your trading style. Remember, your trading style is the essence of your journey. It should align with your personality, risk tolerance, and time horizon. As you embark on this journey, remember it's about understanding yourself, refining your approach, and staying committed. May your trading journey be marked by discovery, growth, and the realization of your unique edge in the vast world of financial markets. And with that, we conclude our journey today. Thank you for joining us, and may your trading journey be successful.